On this episode of You Need to Dress Better, it's time to stop color sandwiching. Learn it from me. I want to preface this video, if you still do color sandwiching outfits, that is perfectly okay. I used to do it, other people still do it. People wouldn't do it if it looked horrible, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, I have my long fair share of color sandwich outfits. People complimented me all the time. I'm not judging you, I'm only looking to improve. What I consider a color sandwich outfit, say you have a bright red hoodie, you know, a pair of pants, and then you have bright red shoes. That's a color sandwich outfit. I consider color sandwiching the most basic form of fashion. It's easy, it's accessible. Your outfits would look better if you didn't color sandwich and you chose a different color for your shoes or a different color for your hoodie. That is what this video is about today, so let's get into it. All right, so my first outfit, I was feeling more of like a 90s Tupac vibe. Don't know why, I don't know where it came from. I just have so many bandanas, so I was like, why not? I don't really know how to do a backwards bandana. Put it in the back, like so. Oh yeah, something like this, okay. And then you wrap something like this, I think. I might have to look up a YouTube video. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Tie it. This feels like I did it. Why does it look like so messy up here? How do people get it to look so neat? What do we think? Is it giving the vibe I intended? I think it is. Hey, hold up now. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. What's a baggy outfit if I don't have my super oversized jeans? I think I wear these jeans in every fashion video because they're my favorite jeans. Look how big. Whatever, get a baggy shirt that'll cover your waistline. We're gonna use some big gold chains, of course. I love the 90s aesthetic. They had really cool fashion. If you actually look back at some of Tupac's outfits, he had a great sense of style. I love it when people are talented, but also fashionable. You can do everything. I got this bag from the Goodwill bins for literally like $1. Amazing, good quality. It's a little dirty, I gotta clean it. I got these Jordans from my dad a few years ago. I always get compliments when I wear these shoes, so I should wear them more often, and my outfit is complete. I feel like I hit the mark with the 90s Tupac look. See how easy it would be to grab a tan shoe with this outfit? But you know how much better it would be if you grabbed a white shoe like the Jordans I chose? Only do it if you're doing it intentionally, but don't just reach for it because it's like, oh, the same color. Don't do this all the time. Do it with intention, okay? That's all I gotta say. Overall, I really like this outfit. I like that it puts me in a different perspective. It really fit me for some reason, and I love it. You guys get out of the way. You're ruining my video. You're ruining my video. You're ruining my video. Why are you fighting? Get down, come here. Oh my God. You guys wanna play now? Just get down. I wanted to show you guys an example of what I think is too excessive for a color sandwich outfit. Do you see how much orange this is? So much orange. You would do so much better if you had a white pair of shoes. I just look like a big blob of color. This is a very old post on my Instagram that I have since taken down because I hate the outfit. See how much orange I'm wearing? How much better would it have been if I chose some different colors or I chose jeans or who knows? For the second outfit, I went for a stripe vibe. I look really good in stripes. I need to wear them more often. I've been slowly moving away from color unintentionally, and I love color, so I'm trying to incorporate it back in my wardrobe. I'm kind of repping the American flag right now. If your chain ever awkwardly sits on your like collar like this, you can always just put it under like it's a tie. You don't own yourself a nice pair of khakis, what are you doing? I wish people would wear them more. I feel like they're just so universal. Boom. Khakis with color, unmatched. Unmatched. Listen, get as many neutral pants and jeans you can find, because they will save you. Okay, and I'm gonna wear some sunnies with them. I could just end the outfit here if I wanted. Actually a really, really deep navy blue, which is perfect with this shirt, so perfect combo. I'm gonna wear my New Balance 550s. Now, this is an important lesson, listen up. You can do color sandwiching if there's more than one color going on. If I had a really big orange sweater on and a really big chunky orange shoe on, that's not good. But I have white, blue, red, and then this has white, blue. This is 100% an outfit that I will wear out in the summer. I cut the shirt a little bit so it kind of hovers over my waistline. I have a lot of color going on, but I have the blues. They all kind of match each other. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I like wearing a lot of hats because it's just an extra piece of color. It's an extra piece of style. Also, I just bought my first Awala bottle. I kind of love it. I like that it has a straw and a mouthpiece. It has both. What's not to love? For my third outfit, I call this the Guy Fieri. The Guy Fieri outfit. One of my friends called me that when I was wearing this shirt. And I was like, who's Guy Fieri? We're not gonna wear a hat with this outfit. We're gonna just rock this. We're gonna wear my baggy green pantalones. This one isn't as oversized, but it's still pretty oversized. I don't know what's been happening with me. I've also been moving away from excessively baggy. I like a little baggy, but excessive. This is a little excessive to me. I would want it a little bit shorter now. It works for this outfit. I really like it with this outfit. Actually, I'm obsessed I'm obsessed with this outfit. Now we're gonna put on my blue New Balance. Nope, we're not gonna put our blue New Balances because we're not gonna do color sandwich. See how easy it is. How you wanna go for a blue shoe. Don't go for the blue shoe. Go for a different shoe. Instead, we're gonna wear my Doc Marten Carlson suedes just because, you know, no more color sandwiches. I like it. I like it. I would still maybe do different shoes. I'm just kind of yapping at this point. I don't even know what I'm talking about. What if I wanted to add a bag? Now I look even cooler. Do you know what's crazy? A lot of these outfits I wear in these videos, I never wear outside. Like, but they're so cool looking. I should wear them outside. I just get lazy. You know, we're entering fall and this is a summer outfit, but I live in LA, so I can wear this whenever. I don't know if a lot of you can. You guys know how much I don't like wearing shorts because I don't like my skinny legs. We're gonna rock the gold chain again. I need to go accessory shopping. I need like a good fresh set of accessories. I can't say the word. You know what, guys? I like the shorts for this outfit. Actually, you guys, why don't I hate this? Ooh, hold on. I'm gonna wear my obsidians with this outfit. I am matching a very small portion of this shirt, the blue and the blue. Now, if this shoe is green, no, I wouldn't do it because that's just way too much green. But since this is majority blue and this is majority green, it'll work out. What if I wore a beanie? This might not be the vibe for this outfit. How do I look? Let me see. I don't think this looks good. No, I don't think this is the vibe. It doesn't look horrible, it just doesn't look like me. It looks like I can start beatboxing or being a DJ. But this is an outfit I have worn during the summertime. It's chill, it looks presentable, and it looks stylish. I didn't go out a whole lot this summer, so I couldn't wear a lot of outfits out and take pictures because I had no money. My job had cut my hours so severely that I was struggling. I was struggling so bad. So, man, it was such a struggle. Like, this video is 4 months old. So this next outfit I consider super streetwear. I wore this on my Instagram already. You can follow my Instagram if you want, or you can subscribe. Ew. You know, I never posted it here. Look at how good this looks. Look at how good this looks. I intentionally cut my jersey just so my shirt would stick out. I've been obsessed with undershirts that like kind of show underneath your real shirt. Gives it that extra layer, right? Like it's cool, it's whatever, but having that white stick out is just very, very cool. I'm gonna put my New York hat on. Yeah. I'm gonna wear my Nike blazer. I really don't have much to say about this outfit except that it's absolutely exceptional. Actually, can I be honest? I saw someone at the club with this outfit on. A similar outfit, not the exact same outfit. Everyone inspires me. I'm not like one of those people that are super unique. They can make an outfit out of scratch. I'm stitching up clothes. People inspire me. Also, brown has become one of my favorite colors for pants. It looks good with light colors. It looks good with like light greens. It looks good with blues. It looks good with navies. It looks good with so much. If you don't own a good pair of brown pants, please invest in some. This next little vibe I have going on, I have something that's casual but trendy look. I would wear this for a coffee run, but people would look at me and be like, oh, he has a really nice outfit, but he looks super casual. He looks so chill. He looks laid back and cool. That's kind of the idea I have. This shirt I thrifted not too long ago, and it's been one of my favorite shirts since. I'm gonna wear a tie with this outfit today. I always forget how to tie a tie. I think the thick side goes longer. You go over, I don't know. I'm just yapping. I was gonna wear this blue New York hat, but I think I'm actually gonna do the black one. I know, we've seen this hat so many times this video, but I think this is the vibe. Actually, backwards is the vibe, yeah. I'm gonna wear these shoes that I thrifted at the Goodwill bins, and this is the final outfit. It's actually one of my favorite ones I put on today. I feel like this is just giving me. It's just giving me, I like this, so, yeah. You know what? People think I'm cool. I personally don't think I'm that cool. Like, and I'm not even saying this to be a pick-me. Oh my gosh, I sound like a pick-me. But I never think I'm that cool. People tell me I'm cool, so then I start to believe I'm cool. And then I'm like, wait, I'm not that cool. And it's like an endless cycle. And those are all the outfits that I have. That's all I got. And I filmed that 4 months ago. So take that as you will, but I'm trying to get back on here more frequently and be on here more often, but this is a lot of work and I had a lot going on, so I had to pump the brakes on YouTube for a little bit, but you know, we're back, we're here. As always, thank you guys so much for listening to me yap, and that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later, bye. I'm not a high fashion god like Wisdom or a runway model. I'm a casual dresser that likes to post their outfits. So leave me alone. I'm for the casual dressers, the casual fashion people. Those are my tribe. That's my tribe. That is my tribe. If you're looking for high fashion, go elsewhere. No, I'm kidding. DJ Dvarri.